So here we have the realavid level scope kit. So what you do is you level the light, and you have this attachment that goes in front of your scope. And what you're doing is looking from the scope, from your fore to your aft, and you're leveling it on this grid, which has a level here. So you're setting this level in sync with this level to level your reticle to your gun. And with the flash, it does not show the reticle appearing here. See if I can kind of maybe cover the flash with my finger. And you can't really, you can kind of see the reticle there, how it appears on that grid. Yeah, we're using the bed of the side by side because that's about what I had that was level with my Tipton gun vice table. This is very hard to show on the phone, but that is the EBR7 reticle illuminated that is in the scope. It's Milrad, not MOA. Let me get the focus. I'm trying to focus it for y'all. Come on, phone. Turn the brightness down, see what happens. And these new phones with 5-6 cameras, they're kind of hard to do this scope stuff with. There's our illumination knob. Well, parallax. That is our elevation. There's the windage.